This is the brand new side-by-side we just picked up today in town. This is a pretty rare purchase for us. We're pretty excited about it.
15 inches. That's how deep of water we can go in.
Oh, you're good then. You just have to not be scared to push on it. Well, I know, but it's a heavy pedal. Bye-bye, fire pit. Are you in low and four-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Okay. It actually goes pretty good. The pedal's just really heavy and you've really got to push on it more than you think you need to, and it's kind of just a learning curve. But it's kind of nice because it keeps you from going too fast or getting yourself into trouble. She wants to put it over here to do a shot. Picture. We get 30 days to return it for any reason, so we're gonna stress test this thing. And we got gorgeous areas to do it. This is probably in the middle of our property. Creek kind of runs through the middle.